2018 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, premium wheels, power passenger seat, heated seats, navigation system, traction control, keyless entry, power liftgate, remote start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, four-wheel drive, center armrest, climate control, fog lights, clock. Come take a test drive today.